What am I wearing? Are men's nipples allowed on YouTube? It's so painful. Am I a mermaid yet? Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a swimwear haul or a bikini haul, or I'm testing out some items that you go swimming in from Wish. So I've got a little pile next to me. I'm just gonna go through them, try them on, see what they like and let you know. Hopefully, fingers crossed, there's some good ones. And I do believe that they are all under £10, so super inexpensive. And yeah, let's go. Oh, wow. These are shorts. I don't remember ordering bikini shorts, but fair enough. They also look a little bit like a nappy, or if you're from the US, a diaper. Does anyone agree? They look a little bit strange, and I don't remember ordering bikini shorts, but fair enough. We've got a little pair of shorts, and then we have a top that looks like this. I do really love the pattern, and then there are little booby pads in there, which is quite nice. Okay, so this is the bikini top, and then I have my own swimming cozy bottoms on because I wanted you to watch me put these on. I got them halfway up my legs and thought I should do this on camera. Are we ready for this? That's where I have to stop before it's too tight. I can pull them up, but it's just very uncomfortable and very tight. So don't think these are my size. Don't think this is a very attractive fit. I also think I could lose blood circulation after a while. They are very tight. Just this black bit. The rest of them fits fine, absolutely fine, snug fit. This is so tight. I do feel like the top could slip up a little bit, but for now it's relatively decent. Overall, it's not great. Pattern wise, love it. Really like the pattern. Look wise, I'm gonna give it like a 4 and then give this like a -1. What's happened here? Okay, next bikini we have. Okay, I think I know what this is. I was not expecting it to be this material though. It's actually like, okay, it's a t-shirt that looks like a man's hairy chest. Oh my goodness. Ew, look at the back. That's a lot of hair. That's a lot of hair. Okay, so this is a t-shirt that's meant to look like a man's hairy chest. If you couldn't tell, I've got little nipples. Is this allowed on YouTube? I mean, they're not my nipples. Are men's nipples allowed on YouTube? Is that a thing? I don't know. Regardless, I've got nipples, I've got a hairy chest. I'm excited to put this on, but also, that's interesting. It's not that it's a hairy back. It's that it's all like curly and matted and we'll try it on. Okay, this did not go how I wanted it to. This is just poo. I'm so upset with this t-shirt. Why are my nipples under my armpits? Oh, I really thought this was gonna look good. For a start, and not the t-shirt's fault, it doesn't match my skin tone at all. I very much have a yellow skin tone and I'm tan. This is very much a pink skin tone and he's not tan. He's got a white vest top mark on there and then he's got red arms and red here. Yeah, so I think the t-shirt is just a little bit too big for me. It's not the right color. I had such great high hopes for this top and it just doesn't look very good at all and I'm really sad about it, but yeah, we tried. Okay, this is, oh, this looks cute. Is that cheetah or leopard or what's the other one? It's a print. It's an animal print of sorts and it's pink and it looks kind of cute. So it's a really simple little, so really, oh my goodness, it matches my top almost perfectly. Okay, so it's a really simple little halter neck bikini with okay, I'm assuming these are pants. Are these pants? No. Oh, okay, so this is going, oh, I don't think I'm gonna like this. This is going over here. This is going to look interesting. I bought a bikini with sleeves. Relatively normal looking pants. Got some pants, lovely jubbly. Put those on, see what they look like. Pants, super comfy, nice material. They fit pretty nicely. They look pretty nice. The top I actually quite like. I'm not a huge fan usually of bandeaus. I know this one has straps, but it's still like a bandeau shape. Not usually a huge fan. I quite like it. However, they decided to add this to the mix. I think I'm just gonna wear the bikini like this, unless this looks great, which I really don't think it will. Get this over my bun for a start. Okay. Woohoo! This is so interesting. Ew, oh, it feels really horrible. Oh, it's pulling on my neck. I don't like this. Oh, it feels better now. Obviously, I don't know about fashion, so I'm wrong in most situations, but I actually think this looks quite nice. I'm thinking you could wear this down the beach, high-waisted denim shorts, and then you get to the beach, take the shorts off, take this top piece off, but on the way to the beach, you're really matching, and it's quite a cute little outfit. Do you know what I mean? But it would leave you with some weird tan marks. It's quite cute. Let me know what you think. If you hate it, let me know, because normally you're right and I'm wrong. I should quickly mention I ordered these a long time ago, so if I seem surprised by what's in the bags, it's because I've genuinely forgotten what I've ordered, and I don't want to look online and see what I've ordered because it just ruins the fun for me. I don't remember ordering this, but it looks kind of cute. They're really cute. Okay, I really think I'm gonna like the bottoms with the little frills. They are cute. The top looks like this, so pretty simple triangle bikini with little frills down the bottom. I think I'm gonna really like this. Okay, I like this bikini quite a lot. I think it's a really cute pattern, and I love the frills. They're really cute. I love them. I've said cute about 20,000 times, but it's cute. So this is the bikini on. I like the bottoms, they went on nicely, fit me nicely, feel comfortable, cover my bum, I really like them. And the bikini top fits nicely, I really like that too. I love the little frill detailing. These two straps are fully adjustable, and then the one around the back just fits me nicely. So yeah, I'm really happy with this bikini, 100% getting added to my collection. I like it a lot. The next one came in a really cute little bag. All of my Wish bags are grey and boring. This one has little hearts on it, so I feel like my expectations are high. There's a nice yellow chain on it. What have I ordered? I think it might be too big for me, is my first thought. My second is it's really cute color-wise, but why have I decided to get this pattern? I mean, do you see me wearing like chains and like bling jewelry and like, I've never in my life worn a hat like this. Is it Moschino or Moschino? That's how bad I am with brands. I am not a brand person. I don't really care for them. However, I seem to have ordered myself a lovely swimming costume with a branded hat on it. And I think these say Milano. I don't know if that's a place or a brand, but apparently I've got bling with Milano on it. So there's that. Ta-da! So this is what the swim costume looks like on. From far away, from what I can see of it on the viewfinder, I still quite like the pattern and the colors. What I will obviously say is, once up close and once I see what the pattern is, not the biggest fan. It fits okay. It is a little bit tight around here, like pulling up wise, but I feel like I've got kind of a long torso, so it's expected most of the time. The second thing, the second thing, it does look like it's flush to my skin. It looks like it's fitting well, but if I turn to the side and do this, that's where my back is, and it kind of just goes straight down. It doesn't actually hug me in my back, it doesn't hug me in my waist, so it's not fitting me very well, but it doesn't look like it isn't. Does that make sense? I'm not a fan of it. It's not the most comfortable and I don't like the pattern, but if you do like the pattern and you're okay with it not quite fitting correctly, then go ahead. It's up to you. Okay, interesting. No, not today. No. I am really sorry. I am not threading a bikini. I will do this in my spare time. I am not filming this today. Whenever I thread things, it takes about 20 minutes and I don't have time. So we're gonna leave that one. I'm not ready for it. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Okay, this is a swimming costume with sleeves. I got 2 of these last year and I love them. I actually wore one when I went to Australia and they're just so nice. It has a zip on the front so you can get in and out and leave it open if you want to. It has, it has little booby pads, but they feel thicker at the bottom than the top. So they're kind of push-up pads in a way. They're not very thick, but they're kind of there. And then a beautiful floral pattern on the sleeves. Please fit, please be cute, please. What do we think? As I thought I would be, am kind of obsessed. I don't know what it is about swimming costumes with sleeves, but I really, really like them, like a lot. It is comfortable, it fits nicely, it hugs me nicely, the zip works really, really well. It's not like some cheap zips, it's a good little zip, but it still stays in place and doesn't come down by itself. Sleeves are the perfect length, cute pattern. Hi, I'm obsessed. Happy, happy, happy. Oh, this looks interesting. I don't know what I've ordered. Okay, so we have pants. They're an interesting colour. I wouldn't say my usual colour. Then we have what looks like fishnet pants to go over the top. And then a bikini top that needs to be threaded and I can't be bothered. Oh. I hate threading things for videos. It's one of my real pet peeves. So this is bikini. I don't know what the point of this hangy down bit is. It looks like it's gonna be really loose and literally hang off me, but we'll see. Okay, this is what we're dealing with so far. I'm wearing bikini bottoms, 1 for hygiene purposes and 2 for exposure reasons, just in case something slips. I mean, it's not the best fitting bikini. And then I'm also wearing a bra because of more exposure reasons, which we'll get into. We're gonna start with the bikini bottoms. Not the most comfortable, not very much give to them, and as you can see, they're quite low. Bikini top. Now, I'm gonna assume they're going for the under boob effect because you can clearly see my bra. If I didn't have a bra, boobies would be there. So obviously under boob effect. What I will say though, however, is if I lift my arms up, this goes right up. So if they were my real boobies and I lifted up, I'm pretty sure boobies would flip out, nipples would be out. It would be a whole show on the beach. So the top isn't great, but we're not finished. We also have to add these, which I have not tried on yet, but wowee. Why? Right, okay. I have no words. I have 0 words. Just nothing. Just nothing's coming to me. No comments. You just let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm gonna rate this like a 2, and I feel like that's being generous. What is happening here? What am I wearing? What is this? No. I can't even imagine seeing someone wearing this. Honestly, can't even picture someone who could pull this off. This is a really interesting look. I'm sorry if this is your style and I'm offending you, but to me, just what is this? Just no, I'm gonna take it off. We're not gonna put this on ever again. Okay, have you ever seen a more me colored swimming costume? Look at it. Look at my background. Look at all the pastels. Look. It's a mermaid tail. I forgot I ordered this and I did not expect it to be this beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm really excited to try this on. I'm such a child, but who cares? Oh my goodness. I love it. Okay. You just wait. It's basically like I've shoved my legs into one trouser leg. It is swimming costume material, and so it's very, very warm. Do I look like a mermaid? I really don't feel like one. Am I a mermaid yet? The fins aren't really holding. Oh wait, Can I put my feet into each one? Oh, my toes are stuck. Does this look better? Is there something I meant to add into the end of this? Or is this it? Because this is not really working for me. Maybe just swimming looks better? Call me Ariel. Flipping your fins, you won't get too far. Oh, I tell you what, you could do some leg exercises in here. I'm gonna jump and launch myself onto the sofa in the hopes that this is how the thing would act in water. So, are we ready? Is it good? My mermaid? Did it work? It's rubbish. I don't like it. I have to waddle in it. I'm not a fan. Final bikini / swimming costume. It has a chain on it, and from the colour of this, I can kind of remember what it is, and I'm really excited for you to see it. Look, it's got little shark's teeth on it, so it looks like a little shark's mouth, and it's shark coloured, or grey. Shark coloured, yes. And it's got white teeth. Nom 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 nom. Love it and hate it. It doesn't fit very nicely. I'm actually in a little bit of pain, which we'll get to. The look of it is actually pretty good, and I don't know if they've done this on purpose, but this looks like the shark's nose, like his mouth and then his nose, which I'm thinking they meant to do, and if they did, it looks pretty good. The fit of it, however, is not comfortable. I'm lucky that I'm quite as flexible as I am, because getting into this was tricky. It was a chore, ladies and gentlemen. It was hard to do, and now it's on. This is digging into me like there's no tomorrow. Is it red? Yeah, it is. It's so painful. It's so painful. So yeah, maybe I'll size up next time. What are we thinking? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy, give it a big thumbs up for me. I will be in the comment section, as always, for the first hour that this is posted, so go leave me something cute to reply to. And yeah, I will see you guys next week at 6 p.m. Love ya, bye.